What's up, YouTube? It's your girl. I'm back with another freaking video. Why so close? Y'all gotta fix this. What is this? Hold on. It is Vlogmas day. Hold on. Day 12. We're so close to Christmas, y'all. It's day 12. I'm heating up my food real quick. When I get done eating, we're gonna make magic peanut butter cookies. 3 ingredients only, from 1984, I believe. I'm gonna insert the TikTok.
Magic peanut butter cookies from 84. Peanut butter. A half cup of sugar. Plus 1 egg. Just roll them out. Then cross them with a fork. 350 for 10 minutes. Melt in your mouth. Brilliant.
We're gonna see if it's really like giving what's supposed to give. You feel me? I'm gonna add chocolate chips, so a few of them, cause I like chocolate, y'all. Like, if it don't got chocolate, it's not for me. But I'm gonna add chocolate to mine. If it tastes good with the chocolate, with the ones I didn't put chocolate on, I'm gonna dip it in some chocolate, and we're gonna spice it up. You feel me? To make it like Harmony magic peanut butter cookies. But yeah, see y'all when I'm done eating. Okay, so step 1. Got me some Jif peanut butter. I think it's 1 cup. TJ, can you hear me my phone?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, I have redid the cookies. These are peanut butter only, and these got chocolate chips in them, the ones at the top. Hopefully they don't spread and touch each other, but we gotta put it in the oven for 15 minutes. They out, y'all. I'm gonna let them cool down for a little bit, then we gonna taste them. Me and TJ gonna try the cookies. Come on. Say cheese. Okay, now try it.
What it tastes like? It tastes like nasty.
They like peanut butter. Alright, let's try this one. This one got chocolate inside.
I like chocolate.
Y'all, the chocolate chips didn't even melt. They didn't even melt.
It has chocolate inside.
They super soft.
They're super soft. I like this one.
I like the one with chocolate in it.
Okay, I like this one. I don't like that one, but It's disgusting. Yeah.
They good for people who like peanut butter cookies. They good.
Yeah, they're good.
They real thick. I'm gonna come back to y'all later. Alright, y'all, that's it for this video. Them cookies was good. I give it a 8 out of 10. I'm gonna try to make it with Nutella one day. I hope it works. I don't know if it's the same or not, because Nutella probably got more ingredients than peanut butter itself. But yeah, it was quick and easy. So if you craving something peanut butter, thick, decadent, smooth, make the cookies. All you need is peanut butter, eggs, and sugar. Real cute, real easy. Yeah, so if you like peanut butters, I recommend you make them. If you do make them, make sure you DM me on Instagram at Itzz.harmo 2 Ys, letting me know, or comment down below if you tried it, or DM me on TikTok at ok.harmo, letting me know if you tried them or not. Yeah, make sure y'all comment down below anything y'all want me to try to make, any recipes y'all see. I'll try to make them for y'all. Yeah, tomorrow I don't know if I'm going to post. We shall see, because this video is gonna get up late because it's 10:34 right now. But I thought I could edit it real quick. Yeah, that's it for today. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'll see y'all next time, and I'm out. Bye, guys.